Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to share with you today Craftsman Residential's latest project, this rosemary-inspired home that truly offers a unique design that this neighborhood hasn't even seen. We're located in the 12th South neighborhood. We're 2 blocks away from Sevier Park. We're 3 blocks away from all the shopping, the restaurants, all the amenity lifestyle that it has to offer. As you pull into your driveway, you're gonna notice that you have a parking pad space for 2 guests here right in front of your home. And then you also have a 2-car garage with wood-facing panels. And I want to point out that this home has 2 distinct facades. You have the view from the street of the house, and then you also have a facade of your interior courtyard, which we're going to talk about next. Welcome to the interior courtyard, where you have this gorgeous mahogany gated friends entrance here. It leads you into this Alys Beach-inspired area. You have these peacock pavers that line your walkway here. And if you step up, Craftsman has went ahead and built in these planters here so you can add extra vegetation. And then you have this dramatic stucco design archway with this gorgeous steel door. And you even have these gas lanterns that add so much coziness to this area. This is 827C Kirkwood Avenue, right in the 12 South neighborhood. It's 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, just over 4,800 square feet, built by Craftsman Residential. And I'm Sam Coleman Answer with the Coleman Johns Group, and I'm super excited to give you a tour. So welcome in. I wanted to start this tour right here in the foyer. As soon as you enter, you have this floor-to-ceiling windows with tons of natural light. And a couple of details I want to point out in this foyer. You have these custom hand railing that go all the way up to the 2nd level. You have this custom steel door that really emphasizes that Alys-inspired home. And you even have this HVAC that's covered with this decorative grille that really blends into the wall. Let's step into the kitchen. This is where the home really opens up. You have this 9-foot wide island with enough seating for 4 people. Throughout this entire kitchen, you have top-of-the-line appliances. You have a 48-inch Wolf range, a 36-inch SubZero fridge freezer combo with an ice maker. You have a Bosch dishwasher, and all of your appliances are paneled. Now, some of the features that you probably can't really see, some of the hidden features you have are under cabinet lighting. You have hitting outlets throughout the entire kitchen, and even a pair of outlets that pop up right next to your range. You also have pull-out cabinets in various locations throughout the entire kitchen to store all your cookware and supplies. And right behind me is your pantry, where you have more storage, more cabinets, and even a 24-inch microwave drawer. Now, right off the kitchen, we have your drop zone. So this is your 2nd entrance off your garage, off your 2-car garage. You have these custom built-in lockers here, and you also have your 1st floor laundry room right off this entrance as well. In the garage, you have a 50-amp fast car charging, so if you have an electric car, that is a plus for this house. Now, right across from the island, this is my favorite feature in the entire kitchen. It's this gorgeous wet bar here with a sink. You have a panelized beverage fridge, and you have these amazing floating shelves that overlook your backyard, perfect for storing more dishes or even just decorating with your favorite decor. In your formal dining room, you have these floor-to-ceiling windows that allow a lot of light to flow into this room, and it's just a great transitional area in between your kitchen and your living space. And right in your great room, you have these elevated Crawford ceilings that add so much detail and texture to this room. And I want to point out one of my favorite features in this room is this custom stucco fireplace. It's wood burning, and you also have the option for gas logs in the future if you decide to go that route. Also, this entire room is pre-wired for home audio, so great for family and friends and entertaining other guests. And right in front of me, you have 9-foot Pella sliding doors that open up into your back patio, which is just an amazing area. But before we get to that, I want to show you the primary suite very quickly, so let's check it out. Right off your living room, you have your powder room with a unique custom cabinetry design. You have wallpaper lined walls. It's a really, really unique bathroom, and it's great for all your guests, family and friends, easily accessible right off the living room. and it walks right into your primary bedroom where you have these window-lined walls that overlook your pool, your private backyard, and also this room is pre-wired for home audio and also power shades if you would like more privacy in here, but elevated ceilings, and it's just so bright and airy in this room. Now there's a little space in between your primary suite and your primary bathroom, and this is where you have two distinct closets where you have 10 hanging spaces in each closet and also custom cabinetry throughout both. Stepping into your primary bathroom, you have two large custom vanities here, and you have this beautiful blue limestone flooring throughout the entire bathroom that's heated, and it's also controlled from a Wi-Fi enabled panel so you can program it to your schedule. You also have this gorgeous freestanding tub, two distinct large floor-to-ceiling windows that let in a lot of natural light, and it's also pre-wired for power shades if you want additional privacy. Right behind me, you have a zero-entry shower with marble tile, you have a bench, you have two shower heads, a main one and a handheld shower, and then you have these amazing views of the pool right behind me. Stepping off your great room, this is one of my favorite features in the entire house, is this rear covered porch. And it's my favorite because it's perfect for entertaining all your guests, all of your family, all of your friends. And Craftsman went ahead and pre-wired the entire space for power screening, for not one, not two, but 3 TVs, and also home audio. You have a wood-burning fireplace right in front of me with herringbone pattern, and also an option for gas log starters. To my right, you have a fully sodded yard, and to my left, you overlook this beautiful pool. Coming down from your rear covered porch, we enter your fully turfed in yard on this side where you have an 11 by 30 foot pool, your tanning ledge, built-in seating all the way around. Craftsman went ahead and put a privacy fence all the way around your yard, added additional trees in the back, and this is your own private oasis from the hustle and bustle of the city in 12 South neighborhood, and it's perfect for days in the summer, in the fall when it's really, really hot like this, where you can come and take a dip in your pool. So as we come up, you have a window-lined stairwell that leads you to the second level, and this space is wide. This is your landing, your creative space that you can use as another seating area or a lounge area. The possibilities are endless in this space. Right in front of me, you have your media, your rec room that's already pre-wired for surround sound, and you even have a little niche spot to add your TV. To my right, you have 2 bedrooms. One is a guest bedroom, and then one is a junior suite where you have elevated ceilings, and you also have a walk-in shower in your bathroom, and also a walk-in closet. And the additional guest bedrooms also have ensuite bathrooms with huge walk-in closets and tubs in the bathrooms. Coming off your creative and landing space off your stairwell, you have your second floor laundry, which is big enough to accommodate a large family. You even have additional storage in this room, walk-in conditional space. There's a lot of storage in this house. And Craftsman even added this little study nook here with this custom built-in desk. You have these gorgeous sconces on each side and even more storage to store any additional supplies on the second level. Right off to my right, you have a full bathroom. This is connected to one of the guest bedrooms, but it's also hallway accessible. So if you're in the media room, you can come down here and use the restroom. And lastly, we have this remote office space that's tucked away down this hallway where you have glass pane doors that lead into this room. You have walls lined with windows, so it adds so much uniqueness to this room. This house is 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, just over 4,800 square feet, built by Craftsman Residential in the heart of 12 South, complete privacy and all the upgrades you could ever imagine in a home. If you have any questions or want to schedule a tour, reach out to us in our contact information below, and thank you so much for watching.